What's up, guys? Welcome to another project. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be continuing our series where we are bringing to life another amazing idea. So today we're going to be trying out this idea, and it is to build a local tourism business with guided itineraries, tourist helper app. And so the idea of this app is that travelers want local knowledge and curated plans, but discovery is fragmented across review sites. So mobile itineraries deliver convenience and trust. The app provides suggested day plans, maps, offline guides, and booking options tailored to the lengths and interests. It helps travelers make the most of their time and supports local operators. So features include user-contributed tips, curated trails, local partner integrations, and offline navigation. You can build custom day plans for specific interests such as food architecture. You can provide offline maps and attraction tickets. You can partner with local guides and small businesses for exclusive tours. So this is an interesting app. We're going to be bringing it to life. So from here, you can see it's just text. It's difficult to imagine what this app might look like simply from the text. But now you're going to be bringing this to life using the Google Stitch tool. So going to the Google Stitch tool, you're going to be pasting these prompts that I use. Basically, I just gave ChatGPT that text we just read, and it generated to me these prompts that we're going to use to create the different pages. So in this one, we are going to stick with the mobile app version, and we're going to generate it. So we have different models that we can go for, maybe the fast or the redesign existing apps, design fast with Gemini Flash. So we're going to change the model to kind of go a little faster. So yes, we'll go ahead and start designing our app. So while it's generating, we are going to take a look at the prompt, right? What the prompt is all about. So design a friendly, immersive mobile tourism helper app called Local Path. And so already we have the name of our app, Local Path, that helps travelers discover cities through curated day itineraries and local knowledge. The design goals: make trip planning effortless and enjoyable, highlight authentic local experiences, work reliably even without internet access, feel welcoming, exploratory, and trustworthy. And so this is the whole idea of the app. So already Stitch is able to generate, already Stitch has generated the different views. Now we can see that our app has been brought to life. So let's check it out, what it looks like. So coming to the first screen, we have here what it looks like. We'll just go down below first to see the different pages that are there. So you can see here, we have the explore page, the planner, the map, the tips, and the bookings. So looking at the explore page, which is the first page, you can see the different sections that are available. You first of all have a search bar. You have the featured destinations that people can navigate to. Then you have the curated trails, food, culture, architecture, length of trip. Then you have the different field. I mean, this is going to filter these different sections here to show you based on the choices you would have made. So that's the first page, the explore page. This is what it can look like. Now moving on to the planner page, you can see a little bit what it's going to look like. Once you select a path, I guess, you're going to come to the planner page and you're going to see what your itinerary is going to look like. Mount hiking at 9 a.m., lunch break at 12, explore the avenue at 2, and rest stop at 4, and then sunset. So this is what the planner is going to look like. Then moving on now to the third page, which is the map. So it's going to look like this, somewhat like this. You have a map here and some details. Yeah, so, and it probably has the offline mode as well. So that's going to be interesting. So now coming now to the next page, which I guess is kind of a details page for whatever trip you would have selected. For example, if you select San Francisco, this is what the details page is going to look like. So you have an image at the top and a little description with the insider tip from, I guess, the guide and the essential info, and you can easily book tickets. So this is what your exploratory guide is going to look like, the details at least. So moving on to the tips, now we have this page with the tips. You have some filters here where you can select based on hidden gems, secret spots, or best views. You have your tips here from different persons. And then the final page, the booking. So you can have the bookings now where you can easily book a trip. So our initial idea was to build a tourism helper app. And so you can see, bringing this app to life, we have something that looks like this. So this design is quite amazing. And you can always iterate towards it, right? If you want to make it better, if you want to change details of things, you can easily do that here. But already I really like this idea. You you can see the app is already taking an amazing shape, and it's really, really interesting. So there you have it. We brought this idea to life and it really looks amazing. So stick out for the next version. We are going to be bringing another idea again back to life. If you have any idea you'd like to see come to reality, just put it in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.